In our last tapping session, we talked about dropping the ball, missing a deadline or missing doing something for your teenager and feeling horrible about it. In this session, I'm going to show you a way to tap to let go of the stress, to let go of what is in the way of you being clear and present with during your day with what you have to do. So I'm going to ask you to first get back into your body and become aware of where do you hold stress, where do you hold tension, where do you have, those lists of things you have to do in your head that create stress. Where does it fall in your body? Where do you feel like so much to do, so many balls in the air, not enough time, etc.? And how strong is it? And by the way, we're doing this session now, but when you feel really hectic, you feel really you have too many things for the number of hours during the day. And we'll do a video, a tapping video about time in the future weeks, in the next few weeks. When you feel like that you can't think clearly, that's the tapping video you can do. We're going to make it short, like quick and efficient, so it can help you and it doesn't take too much time. So I assume that now you know where you feel your stress in your body and what intensity your stress level is flying at, like where do you fall on the scale of 0 to 10, 10 being completely overwhelmed. And you have an idea of what it relates to. Because I'm going to stay very general, but as usual with tapping, the more precise you are, the better it's going to work. So let's go. Even though I feel overwhelmed, I have too many things to do, too many things to take care of, too many responsibilities, and I feel that sensation in my body, and that's where you refer to the ball in your throat, the tension in your neck, etc. And I feel stressed and overwhelmed and maybe confused. I choose to love and accept myself completely, and I honor the way I feel. Even though I feel that stress in my body, so many responsibilities, and I feel overwhelmed, confused, clouded, I can't think clearly, I choose to love and accept myself exactly as I am. And I give my body permission to relax and my mind to come back to calm. Even though I feel overwhelmed, stressed and confused, and I have this sensation in my body, I give myself permission to relax. I give myself permission to feel, process and release. Feeling that stress in my, I was going to say chest, but maybe you feel it somewhere else. This overwhelm, feeling stressed and confused, choosing to let go of all that stress in my body. Choosing to let go of all those thoughts in my mind. Clearing and releasing. And imagine that like the candle of a wax is melting, all the stress is melting from you and falling down into the earth. Letting go of the stress. Clearing my mind. Relaxing my body. And breathe deep. Letting go of the stress and anything that is stressing me out. Getting back to clarity. Getting back to being present. Getting back to clarity and presence. Letting go of the stress. And my cat is here to help us relax and be lighter. Letting go, see the stress melt, feel the stress melt. Feel some space in your mind, getting back to clarity. Coming back to being present and clear in my body and my mind. And you can do 1 or 2 more rounds just breathing and tapping. And now assess where you are as far as your stress level, your sensation in your body. It should have gone down. If you need a little bit more, go back to the beginning of the tapping and retap, or just tap and breathe. Imagining that the stress is melting. 1 deep breath on every point. And you should be in a more present, clear and calm emotional state. That's it for today. That's pretty short, but that comes handy. The pace of life is so much faster than before. We have so many things to do. We have so many responsibilities, especially if you're a single mom and everything falls on you. Sometimes it's hard to have all those things like balls and items in our mind. So let me know how it worked for you, and if you have any suggestion, something you're struggling with, send me a message, put a comment below, or you can book a clarity session, like a discovery session, where we will see together to become aware of what's going on and a little strategy to help you with what's going on for you. Don't ever struggle alone. There is no reason to struggle alone. I'm sending you a lot of love from a mom to another, and I'll see you next time in another video.